there. So in this experiment, we're going to start. We have a graduated cylinder with 50 milliliters of hydrochloric acid. So we're just going to transfer that into the beaker. So here we go, acid into the beaker. Thank you, sir. And what I'm going to do is now I'm going to take some sodium carbonate solution and I'm just going to put a few squirts down the side. I don't know how well this is going to translate into the video, but what you should see is a little bit of a rainbow. If you're down at the correct height, you can see a bit of a rainbow. You see the bubbles, so you see something is happening. And if you're doing it, if you're close enough, we should be able to see a bit of a rainbow. So, regardless, we at least see the bubbles. We know something is going on in there. So I have mixed some hydrochloric acid with some sodium carbonate solution. So we've done something, but it wasn't very exciting. So now I've got this other compound. It is called GUK, G-U-K. The chemical name for this is sodium polyacrylate. So I'm going to put some sodium polyacrylate crystals. See them? They're crystals. They look kind of like salt or sugar, large crystals. And I'm just going to put some in the beaker with this solution. And again, it's bubbling up. You can see a reaction happening. So I'm going to put some more in. And I'm going to stir it up a little. Make sure that they're all
mixed in properly.
Yeah, mixing in. So it's still mixing. You can see that I'm stirring this solution. Let's put a little more in. Okay, super scientific, very, very precise measurements here. You can see I'm still stirring a solution. So let's go a little more. Mr. Levitt will stir while I pour. Okay, there we go.
For those of you that, since you're not here, it's starting to solidify. Not completely hard, but it is getting more difficult to stir. And if you can get a shot of the top here, it's, it's starting to crystallize, kind of. It's not all liquid like it was before. And it's pretty much mixed up into what's a super absorbent polymer. So we're going to take some and put it on Ms. Casanova's hand here. We're going to, here, I'm just going to scoop it up. There we go.
So you see this polymer has absorbed all the liquid from the beaker, and it's kind of like a gelatinous crystal now, rather than the solid crystal that we put in. So it's gelatinous. So think about how we might use this in the real world.
All right, for this next demo, we're gonna do a little bit of acid-base chemistry. So we have film canisters. You probably don't remember these, but your parents used to take pictures on a camera and have to have them printed on these little film canisters. We're gonna fill it up halfway with some vinegar. We're using apple cider vinegar this time. All right, in step 2, we're gonna add this base. This is baking soda, just like what you have at home. We're gonna put base into our caps. All right, and now we're gonna watch what happens whenever you mix a weak acid with a weak base. Ready?